This is the Galaxy Z. It's a very small phone. It's a bit like a Star Trek communicator. Got a clock on the outside which shows your charge and the time and the date. There's the camera. It's just a two-lens well, it's a lens camera with another lens, I think, for doing Vulcan depth of field. Look at that. Flips open. Look. Beam me up, Scotty. Flips open. That's smooth. And hopefully, if I slide that up, you see standard version of Android. Usual icons. And camera says, I'm going to take that guy. Quality of the camera, you've got various options, video. Look at all these options here. We've got a panorama, food mode if you're doing Instagram with food, super ralenti, so super slow, hyperlapse, so video mode, settings, and here we go, have the resolution, and we can take in ultra high definition 4K at 60 frames per second on the rear camera. Then we're videoing, and we've got anti-shake on. It's not bad. Yeah, it's very smooth. Look at those colours, very vibrant. Look at this, the image will move between the two screens. So that's on the top screen, and it now takes the whole screen.